Hi bestie, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Noahiba and thank you so much for tuning in. We don't have much time. I just wanted to open up this vlog and welcome you officially. I just got ready. I have to get to the mall, and I'm super late. I should have left the house a long time ago. So you keep the scenes as so yeah, let's go. So before we leave, let's do a fit check. Pov, name that one sneaker you bought that you can't get over. Then I got David. But this is how we're looking for the mall. Guys, because the sky is not looking good. It looks like it's about to rain. So that's tenko. I'm making the delivery, which will have to take place before 1. Before 1, I have to get to work at right now. We are rushing to Pick n Pay so I can buy groceries. I haven't bought anything to eat, guys. My carrots are empty. So yeah. So we Pick n Pay and go, and then we buy food, and then we rush back to the house to get dressed for work. I wanna go to Mr. Price, guys, now. But I'm afraid I'm gonna get tempted. And we are working on a budget here. We don't have money. I have to keep reminding myself, because I swipe like young. bestie, I come back. We just came back from the mall. We need to unpack groceries. I don't know if I should do a grocery haul, but I feel like I should bless you. Grocery haul. Kamo give me delivery again. Give me don't chimis because I have to be at work or 2. My lift club gets here at 1:30. The time now is past 12. If they're not here by 1:15, get lot dinner because I have things that need the fridge. I'm gonna pop. I'm just gonna things into the fridge. I figure get pop. Wait, sure. And then what else? I also need to do an unboxing fridge, so I feel like it's a figure so late. Hi bestie, I come back. So we're about to do a grocery haul, and I don't want to unbox like really getting little inches, guys. And like I told you guys that I have to be at work by 2, so I can't take long. So yeah. I just called the guys at Game. They said it delivered say for me level. So I'm really hoping they get it before. And now I'm worried about don't get anything. It's going to get a fortune. Good to be happy. But it's not blank. Already there's something that's melting. And then I'm judging to hey, what. I'm only buying impope money because I still have impope. And I don't cook up a lot. So yeah. Yes, no. I also didn't buy rice because I still have rice. Don't get me the fridge and this is sinking because what do you mean? Papa. Times are tough. We're buying no name brands. No name brands. What's value? As a girl, we must have this. Every month, buy this. This might be a do, and Shanghai's does a gun, and I'm like, gentleman cheek. I want to try. I've never tried this one. I tried. I always buy this though. If I don't buy Edge and so Magic, I buy this. So for those that have been asking about my skin, honey, that's one. But for the month, this is what we have. I still have Amanyama Cosmetics. In Amanya, I bought the day before, like your pads, shower gel, and like everything is Tuesday. I went to the mall. So I was able to buy a few things. So yeah, the amount of plastic bags I have. Some charge. I cannot pass pin. So I have to like I feel like I kill my I6 because I eat eggs, eh? Like I eat eggs. Ninga mangalinga ngabona ama noodles. Ngathengile a game. Yeah, I bought them at game. Ningathi this month nginayo ngithenga ama noodles. Ngathengile. But this month ngithenga amaningi, just bought 3 packs. So we're gonna a game. They always have a special at game. So yeah. Keep it up, young. Pause. You bring Ibel on the table. You're gonna have a tag young. Like, what a responsible young woman. I'm a karate. I haven't even done my hair. And I don't think I still have money to do my hair. And I've already booked an appointment. Mbutsi but there. I nagi the joke. But I little one's in Kabatak. Kilonso and I can't catch a let. Some puts I can't catch a letter. Shlisa Shagadi Tapule, Negiri regular because Negiri ape. So no kilo against a fritching I feel. But look, you see, the noodles get like Kabataka be like. Sure, Nana. Mas este filme é forte. Mas que não vamos olhar mais. Para termos os bichos até. It's just cold. Levar. Like a South African household doesn't have this. You have mints. I don't want to take them out of the plastic bag because if I let it melt. So yeah. Get it see. Yeah, that's about it. Money. Gone. This is everything that needs to be afflictioned. Including share. So yeah, I think we're done.
Hey, that's like that, please. That's like that. Yeah, that, please.
I just got home and I could not sleep without unboxing. I feel so emotional, so let me just unbox and let me go cry, bestie, because we did that. I did that. Like, do you understand? Shim. This is an egg tray. This is an ice tray. Very cutesy. This is a manual. Yeah. How to read it? Nah, the moment we'll all be waiting for. Good night. I think we have to read the manual because I'm going to be because I'm struggling to find the plug. After how many months I found in them. Ai, you will. Hi, Chobi. Hi, lad. Let's go back to the manual so I can see by like temperature. What's in the big thing? While waiting for a fridge to find the right temperature, I'm gonna sort out the mess paya and the except so abantu zingalo yes ngaze ngibone nezinto ezingekho right. Yeah, seyithoma batanyana ne. So I think ngikatsenza dilo because remember we left dilo mo le ko fridging shabo defroster sonke mntanami sonke. So it really needs to go to the fridge as soon as possible. But let's give it some time. Mina ngicela ngenza igota so that ngizokwazi ukulala. Can you go to your school? That's a very romantic. Can you go to nail. Naman undertaker queen. That's the one next in, but already there's ice falling. And then Sane sebenza. Yeah, but very empty so. But yeah, this is how I packed. I'll unbox or unwrap or whatever. Is my plastic in kusasa. For now, I just want to. I guess this is where I wrap up today's vlog. You know. I'm not sure if this will turn into spend a few days with me, or if I get the strength to vlog over the weekend, then yeah. If I don't, but anyways, I'm heading to sleep. I'm hoping to get enough sleep because I have to be at the salon at 9 XN. So this whole week I haven't gotten enough sleep, like the whole fucking week. So yeah, guess it's good night from me and my new Hisense baby. Ngijabulile tu. Ayanda. Ngithe izinto
Mbolekeni 1000. Malume babakhona ngantako.
Shutha labona bakho abaqhuqa. Ngishutha thina, ngishutha la.
Unewo yazi.
Ngifuna ku YouTube.
Mina nonewo siyangena kuyibathi.
Yo.
Phela wamehlamba.
Yo wayimaphi? Ngabala abantwana bamanesi
Oza mama.
Antisondela nawe. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
It's hi.
Nawe woza. Ubani? Ubani beka twinki twinki.
So man, spoil man sahamba.
Sorry.
Tukiza ngapha. Ngapha.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
Yes!